Sorry, on this vehicle, on this, I just erased or closed down the video on accident. So you have to go back one video to see at this point is where I accidentally killed the video. So we got 700 to 750 grams on the refrigerant level in this 2005 Honda Odyssey with 2 evaporators, 2 AC systems, and we're performing the recovery. 555 grams have been pulled out so far. We're at -10 in the system up to this point. So let's see what this is. I know I don't have all the refrigerant in it, but we're going to see how much refrigerant is stored inside the unit. So let's put that there, and we're looking at it, 550. So let's go into the purge mode. Okay, now purge. This is when I take the liquid refrigerant that's trapped in this unit, pump it into this tank, and the scale will read right here. Purge. So now I'm purging the liquid refrigerant trapped in there, and you'll see the number go up. So we're close to being full. Then why was my compressor was hot? Damn, that was hot. And my low side was high. Something's up with this system. Somebody did something to the system, or something's wrong. So now I'm going to be looking for an expansion valve stuck open. That's one of my ideas. Compressor problem. There's no heater core on, stuck on, passing hot air across the evaporator or anything like that. Oh, did I check the fans? I'll go back and check the fans too. That's another thing. And while I was doing the video, I distracted myself and I didn't bother looking to see if both fans were working. So I could have messed up and not noticed that one fan was not working. And this is a variable compressor, so you can see the refrigerant boiling out of the oil right there. That's not a leak, that's actually refrigerant. So 710 grams, I'm going to recover some more refrigerant. Now we're open, and now you can see it really boiling out of there. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.